Hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you Vedic maths, and in Vedic maths I'm going to teach you multiplication tricks of the number 999. Now we have three cases. Now let's see how can you deal with these three cases. Now I have written here also how can you deal with three cases. Let me annotate it so that it will be easy for you to understand. Now you see here, you can multiply the number with any number of 999, and we have the shortcut tricks, and I have told you ki you have to deal with three cases. So one by one I'm taking the cases. My case first is when the number of digits are less than the number of 999s. For example, you can see here you have to multiply this 18 with 999. Now you look at 18. 18 is a two-digit number, and you look at this 999. This is a three-digit number. So 2 is less than 3. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make first the digits equal. How can you make the digits equal? See, here this is 18. How can you make 18 a three-digit number without changing the value? You can put a 0. See, you can put a 0 before 18. So now this will become a three-digit number and value will also not change. But you keep it in your mind that if you will put this 0 after 18, it will change the value of 18. It will become 180. So you will not do that mistake. Okay, you have to make it a three-digit number without changing the value. So next step, what you have to do is subtract 1. I have written here subtract 1. You have to subtract 1 from this 018 to obtain the left hand side of the answer. And here I have written this 018 minus 1, which is equals to 017. So now what you have to do is you have to subtract each digit of this 017 from the number of 999 in the question. Now you see, from first 9 you will subtract this first 0. So 9 minus 0 is equals to 9. I have written here, then comma, then you take the second number from second 9 from the question. So second 9 you have taken here. Now you look here, what is the second digit here? Second digit here is 1. So you will do this 9 minus 1, which is equals to 8. Then this is comma. Then again you have to take the third 9 from the question. So third 9 minus, you look here, what is the third digit here? 7. So 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. So you got here this 9, then you got here this 8, then you got here this 2. So I have written these numbers together, 9, 8, 2. Now what you have to do is you have to just combine the left and right hand side of these two numbers. Here you got this 017. So I have written here this 017. Now here you got this 982. So I have written this 982. I have combined these, and this is the final answer. And right now, see, I have taken a very small question just to make you understand, so that it will be easy for you to understand. And when you will do the difficult questions with same tricks, you will yourself feel how much easy it is. And this will minimize your calculations, and when the calculations are minimized, your chances of doing the mistake is very less. So now you look at this example. This is just a little bit difficult, okay, a lengthy also. And if you will do this question with your normal maths, it will take a lots of time, and chances of doing the mistakes are also there. So without mistakes, if you do with this Vedic maths trick, your mistakes will also be minimized. Your chances of doing the mistake is also less. First you have to make this equal to this. So now you count here the number of digits, three digits here you can see, and count the number of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how will you make a three-digit number into a five-digit number? You can simply put these 2 0. Now see, these 2 zeros are extra, and this is a three-digit number. Now this is equal to 999. So what you have to do, as you have done in the earlier example also, you have to subtract 1 from this 00758 to obtain the left hand side of the answer. So I have done here 00758 minus 1, which is equals to 00757. Now you have to subtract this 00757 from the number of 999 in the question. So how will you do that? See, this is first 9, so first 9 minus, you will take this first 0 from here. First 9 minus first 0 is equals to 9. Then put a comma here. Then you take the second 9 from the question and you take this second 0 from here. Second 9 minus second 0 is equals to also 9. So put a comma again. Then you take the third 9 from the question and you look here, what is the third digit here? Third digit here is 7. So third 9 minus 7 is equals to 2, comma. Then you take the fourth 9 from the question. Now you look here, what is the fourth digit here? 5. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4, put a comma. Then you take the fifth 9 from the question. Then you look here, this 7 is the fifth digit here. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 7. So all these digits, you got here 9, then you got here again 9, then you got here 2, then you got here 4, then you got here 2. So I have written all these digits together. Now you have to combine these digits, left hand side and right hand side. See, this digit is your left hand side. So you will write down in the answer 00757. And you see here, this is on the right hand side. So you will write down this 999 and 242. And this is your final answer. Now, and listen, right now also, you are learning. So it is taking a time. Okay, when you will just learn all these tricks, so it will become so easy. It will become so easy for you that you can do it very fast. Now you just look at this. I have made it interesting as well for you. See, I have this PPT is here. I have made it interesting for you so that you can do this work with great interest. Now you see, you have to count the number of digits here. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are here. Now you have to count the number of 999. How many 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is basically a 6-digit number. So you have to convert a 4-digit number, 4, 6, 7, 8 into a 6-digit number. How can you do that without changing the value? You can just put 20 before the number. It will become a 6-digit number and the value will also not change. So how will you get the first part? As you have done in the previous questions also, you have to subtract 1. Okay, from 0, 0, 4, 6, 7, 8. I have written here also 0, 0, 4, 6, 7, 8 minus 1. So you will get this 0, 0, 4, 6, 7, 7. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to subtract this 0, 0, 4, 6, 7, 7 from the number of 999. So when you will subtract it, you can do that work on your own also. You will get this value and then you will get this value. So you have to combine this value on the left hand side and this on the right hand side. Now you see here, I have not written these 0, because why I have not written earlier, I had written just to explain you. Now you are able to understand, so you can ignore these 200 in the final answer because 00 has no value, but we had to fulfill the conditions. So I just kept this 00 and you were learning also, so that you may not get confused. Now you are able to understand. So at the end, you can ignore these two extra 00 because these are extra. Okay. Now you take the next example. Now this is our case 2. And in the case 2, what it says, the number of digits are equal to the number of 999. I have taken a very small example, a very easy example. Let's multiply 4 by 99. Now you see, this is also a 2-digit number. This is also a 2-digit number. So you are not required to make it any change here. And you are not required to make it any 3-digit number or 4-digit number like that. Simply what you have to do is you have to subtract 1 from this 24 itself. Okay, you have this 24, you have to subtract 1. So from 24 minus 1 is equals to 23. So what will you do? As the same you will do here. Subtract each digit of 23 from each 999. Okay, so what will you do? First 9 minus 2 is equals to 7, comma, second 9 minus 3, that is equals to 6. So that you will get here 76. So you have to combine these two, 23 and 76. So this is your final answer. So now you see, you must find it very easy also, as you have done these questions. So next example is, now you say, see here, this will take time if you will do it with your normal maths, but now you have learned this trick. So how can you do this? See, number of digits are same here with the number of 999 here. I have done the work directly. What is the number 587? So 587 minus 1, which is equals to 586. So directly now I have written here 586. Sorry, 586. Okay, I have written here directly 586, and if you will subtract this 586 with this 9 and 9, you will get this 413. So I have written the explanation here also. You can look at this explanation, and this is very easy for you now to understand. Now let's take another example. Now you see, this is a little bit lengthy. If you will do it with your normal maths, it will take a lots of time, but with Vedic maths, I'm going to do it fast. Okay, now you see, these are the same digits here, 1 2 3 4. 4 digits are here, 4999 are here. So you have to just subtract 1 from the 2358. You will get this 2357. So you have to subtract this 2357 from the number of 999s here. So you will do here, now you will get this 7642. You can see here, now you have to combine these, and 2357 you will write down here, then 7642 you will write down here. And this I have done just to show you that how fast you can now do, as you have now learned it. Okay, so now let's take some other example also. So I hope you like it. Now it is easier for you to understand. Now this is my another case. What it says, now you see here, the number of 99 are less than the number of digits here. So what you have to do, this is my third case. Okay, this is my last case. What you have to do in this case, when you have to multiply a number with the number of 999 which are less, what will you do? You have to convert this to its nearer base. See, 99 is written here. Okay, so you have to convert this 99 into its base. What is the base of 99? See, 100 is the base of 99 here. And why we are doing this? Because you see, if you multiply any number with 100, that is easy, because you know you have to put only 2 zeros. Okay, that is why we are using this trick. And if you multiply a number with 1, that is also very easy. So now we are doing 99 is also equals to 100 minus 1. If you will do 100 minus 1, that is equals to 99. So you have to multiply this 168 into 99 ke space pe I'm writing this 100 minus 1. So if you will multiply 168 with 100, you will get here 1628 and 2 zeros. Then minus is here. So minus you will write down here, and you have to multiply 1628 with 1. So 1628 multiplied by 1 is also is equals to 1628. So now simply you have to do the subtraction here, and you will get the result. This is very easy for you to do. Now let's take some other example. Now you see here, this is also a little bit time consuming. If you will do it with your normal maths, it will consume your time, and the chances of mistakes are always more. So now Vedic maths tricks will reduce your chances of mistakes. Now again, you see, you have to convert this into the nearer base. This is 999. So you know 999 is always equals near the base 1000. Okay. So what will the base for this? 1000, and 1000 minus 1 is equals to 999. Okay. I have written here also. So what will you do here? The digit number I have written here into multiplied by 999 ki jagah I have written this 1000 minus 1. So now you have multiplied this 678,963 with this 1000. So you will put 3 zeros here and minus 1. And minus 1, when you will multiply 678,963 with 1, so you will get that number itself. So you will do the subtraction here and you will get the result here. Okay. See, this is a very shortcut trick. Now I'm going to give you these practice sheet. Now you can do these rest of the questions on your own, and you can check it with the help of calculator also. You will get the same result which you will get with using my tricks. So I hope you like my video. These are the shortcut tricks which you can use in your competitive exams. And thanks for watching my video.